Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we've got a battle of the bots. In the left corner, we have the sleek and silent eufy RoboVac 11S Max, and in the right corner, the high-tech Tikom robot vacuum and mop. Let's see which one sucks, in a good way. Alright, let's start with the price, because let's face it, we all have that one friend who won't buy anything without a discount. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max is priced at a cool $249. Now, that's cheaper than a night out with friends, if you have friends. On the other hand, Tikom comes in hot at $399. That's almost like buying a small island in the Caribbean, so if you're a cheapskate, eufy wins this round. Next up, navigation. Eufy is like that one friend who wanders around the house aimlessly, but somehow gets the job done. It uses infrared sensors to dodge obstacles, so it's like your clumsy bestie who avoids stepping on your toes most of the time. Tikom, however, is the overachiever with 360 degrees LiDAR navigation. It maps your house like it's planning a heist and can store up to 5 maps. So Tikom is basically the James Bond of robot vacuums. Reviewers appreciate Tikom's smart navigation and ability to avoid obstacles effectively. Point to Tikom. Suction power. Eufy has a respectable suction, enough to pick up crumbs from your midnight snack sessions. But Tikom? This bad boy has 3,000 pascals of suction power. It's like a black hole for dirt, debris, and pet hair. If eufy is your friendly neighborhood vacuum, Tikom is the vacuum equivalent of a Dyson on steroids. Reviewers love Tikom's powerful suction, especially for pet hair and dust. Tikom wins again. Now, let's talk about multifunctionality. Eufy is a dedicated vacuum cleaner. It vacuums like it's auditioning for a role in Clean House. Tikom, however, is a multitasker. It not only vacuums but also mops. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Sweep, mop, do your taxes. Okay, maybe not the last one, but you get the point. Reviewers appreciate Tikom's dual functionality for added convenience. Tikom takes this round too. Battery life. Eufy can run for up to 100 minutes, which is like watching an entire movie without needing a break. Tikom, on the other hand, boasts a whopping 150 minutes. That's almost a trilogy. Plus, Tikom will recharge and resume cleaning where it left off. Eufy just goes back to its base and takes a nap. Reviewers love Tikom's long battery life and auto resume feature. Tikom wins yet another round. Finally, let's talk about app and voice control. Eufy comes with a remote control, which is great if you're living in the 90s. Tikom, though, is all about that modern life. You can control it via the Tuya Smart app, set no-go zones, and even boss it around with Alexa or Google Home. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant that actually listens to you. Reviewers appreciate Tikom's modern app and voice control features. Tikom for the win. Reviewers generally find the eufy RoboVac 11S Max to be a durable and reliable robot vacuum with good suction power, though it lacks advanced navigation features. On the other hand, the Tikom robot vacuum and mop receives praise for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and multifunctional capabilities. While eufy is seen as a solid budget-friendly option, Tikom is favored for its high-tech features and efficiency. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable vacuum, eufy RoboVac 11S Max is your guy. But if you want a high-tech, multifunctional, and super powerful cleaner, Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.